Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make ramen noodle soup. This is a very easy recipe, please stay tuned. And here are the ingredients. Pre-cooked meat, and today I'm gonna use char stew pork, egg noodles, bok choy, chicken base mix, beef broth, enoki mushroom, soy sauce egg, sliced ginger, and garlic. And let's not forget soy sauce and fish sauce. The first thing we need to do is make the broth. In a big pot, I will add in our beef broth and 3 cups of water. Now is also a good time to add in our ginger and our garlic. After we add in our garlic and our ginger, we could add in our seasoning, which is chicken base mix, soy sauce, and fish sauce. And then we will let the broth simmer for a little bit, so it can take in all the flavor. Now let's cook our egg noodle. I have already boiled some water and added the egg noodles. And we will let it cook for about 20 to 30 seconds. After the noodles cook, we will remove it and put it into a bowl. Now we need to cook our vegetables, which is the enoki mushroom and the bok choy. We will cook them in the broth that we previously made. Now that our vegetables are cooked, let's assemble our ramen noodle soup. In a big bowl, we will add in our noodle, and then we could pour in our broth. And then we could top our ramen noodle soup with our bok choy, green onions, soy sauce egg, and I will provide the video recipe link in the description box. And we will also need more protein, which is the char stew pork. And last but not least, enoki mushroom. This ramen noodle soup is so comforting, delicious, and at the same time light and healthy. It's a perfect meal for rainy and cold days. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. And the recipe is in the description box. See you in my next video.